Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr not receiving message. So to fix Grindr not receiving message, you can start by force closing the app or restarting the app. You see, once you open Grindr, you can just swipe it up and then swipe it up again to close it, to completely close it from your multitasking screen. Because this is the most recommended step, especially if messages fail to appear after switching apps. Now the next what you can do is verify your connection. Just make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi or mobile data, as a weak signal often prevents messages loading. You can also switch between your Wi-Fi to mobile data and vice versa. Now the next what you can do is update your app. Just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Grindr, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of the Grindr app. Now the next what you can do is restart your device, because restarting your phone can solve temporary connectivity glitches. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.